Hello everyone. So if you don't or do not have that habit of cleansing your liver, like consuming a blend like this to cleanse your liver so it can be in good state, because your liver is responsible for the functioning of your system. Like your liver is responsible of cleansing your blood, your liver cleanses waste and toxins out of your system, your liver metabolizes food for you. Like your liver is the main thing to always be in good state. You want to cleanse your liver so you can have that healthy life, so your liver can do everything for you. Your liver is like the machine in your system to do everything for you, so you want it to always be in good state. So here we come with this smoothie to help you cleanse your liver for you, so your liver can in turn do its job, so you can live a very healthy life free of diseases and illnesses. Because if your liver is so weak, unable to flush out diseases or waste from your system, they will culture bacteria. Before you know it, you start having one disease to the other. Something like sepsis is due to accumulated germs or waste in your system, leading to sepsis, and sepsis can actually lead to death. It shuts down other organs in your system and you might even die. If you don't know what sepsis is, you want to find out, because most people die of sepsis without even knowing what it is. Yeah, so you want to consume a very good liver cleanse smoothie like this at least once every week. These are healthy fruits and vegetables put together, very healthy with no side effects. You want to just consume a glass of this like once a week to make sure your liver is in good state to do its job, like flush out those toxins out of your system, help cleanse your blood so you can glow naturally from within and be healthy. Like so many benefits consuming this to cleanse your liver. Your liver needs to be in good state. So without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. As I mentioned earlier, one glass a week is very important to cleanse your liver to be in good state. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. So let's get into it. So in order to come up with our liver cleanse and disease fighting smoothie, the first ingredient we'll be using will be cucumbers. That is because cucumbers are alkaline, which means they are disease fighting. They will help to fight any diseases around your liver or your organs, making you constantly fall sick, because your system depends on your liver to function properly for you to always be healthy. So the alkalizing nature of these cucumbers will treat any diseases, whatever, making your liver not to function properly, and it will now be in good state. So you want to get one cucumber and slice into sizes that you can easily blend. Cucumbers are 98% water based to help flush toxins out of your system as well. It helps to hydrate and rejuvenate your liver to be in good state. The next ingredient we'll be adding in this smoothie will be garlic. Garlic is so good. Garlic helps to activate your liver. It helps to cleanse any infection, most especially bacteria infections, germs in your system you consume, maybe from environmental exposure to pollution. You consume germs without knowing, they get into your system, destroy your liver. Before you know it, you start having sepsis, all these diseases due to bacteria in your system and germs. You need a good antibacterial in this smoothie, and garlic is a very powerful antibacterial to clear any bacteria in your system, germs, which later on might cause situations like sepsis. I just said most people die of sepsis without even knowing, because that is something not really, people are not really familiar. Sepsis is when germs or diseases overpower your system, like it gets into your organs, shut them down, and your liver is even unable to metabolize any death or flush out those toxins out of your system. So it is very important to cleanse so your liver can always be in good state, because your liver does the job for you. Your liver actually cleanses and takes out toxins from your system while putting the nutrients to the right organ. So you want this to cleanse your system so your liver can be in good state and equally fight diseases. So these are the first two ingredients. The next ingredient I will be adding in here will be apple. Apples are equally very good for your health. They are loaded with a little bit of so many vitamins and minerals to nourish your system, and like your liver loves nutrients. These nutrients from your fruits, vegetables, your liver loves them to function properly, and apples contain all those vitamins and minerals your liver needs to function properly for you to always be healthy. So what we'll be needing will be 1 apple. As you can see, I just thoroughly washed and sliced my apple, looking so neat. Yeah, apples contain a lot of vitamin C, which is a form of antioxidant to fight free radical damage from the inside, like all the environmental free radicals you expose yourself to, causing skin issues, premature aging, and dull skin. Apples will give you that refreshing look from the inside. So yeah, these are the 3 ingredients in my bowl here. You have apple, cucumber, and garlic. The next thing you want to do is to get your blender, as we'll be blending these ingredients. Yeah, so you get your clean blender. If you notice, my blender is always wet because I wash it. Even though I wash my blender and store, I still wash when I'm about to use it, so you avoid any bacteria, most especially during this period. You don't want any chances of putting in any slight dirt into your system. So this is it in my blender. You want to blend to a very smooth consistency. As you notice, I didn't add any water because most of the fruits are like 80 something to 90 something% water based. They are almost all water. Like the cucumbers is like 98% water based. I think apples are like 86 to 92, something like that, water. So the water from those fruits just blended this for me. That way it gets concentrated, like you are putting in the concentrated nutrients into your system without any form of dilution. You can have a glass of this first thing in the morning before eating, like on an empty stomach, once every week. Try to make this and consume just a glass of this first thing early in the morning before you consume your breakfast, whatever. Have this weekly. You can put like Wednesdays every month, Wednesday every week. Like on Wednesdays you say, this is the day I'm cleansing. Like, these are fruits and vegetables. They have no side effects. They are just to cleanse your liver, activate your liver for it to be in good state, to flush out any toxins and work properly to put the right nutrients to the right places in your body, help you flush toxins out of your system, like enable you, because all those toxins in your system and waste are the cause of all the sicknesses and illnesses. So when your liver is in good state, it flushes out all those diseases and you are always free from any sickness or illness. You are always so healthy. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay looking strong and beautiful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and see you again in my next video. Bye.